Hi there, today we will talk about blockchain technology. Also, we will try to understand how does it works. Over the past few years, you have consistently heard the term blockchain technology, probably regarding cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. In fact, you may be asking yourself, what is blockchain technology? It seems like blockchain is a platitude, but in a hypothetical sense, as there is no real meaning that the layman can understand easily. It is imperative to answer what is blockchain technology, including the blockchain that is used, how it works, and how it's becoming vital in digital world. As blockchain continues to grow and become more user friendly, the onus is on you to learn this evolving technology to prepare us for the future. If you are new to the blockchain, then this is the right platform to gain solid knowledge. In this video, you will learn how to answer the question, what is blockchain technology? You will also learn how blockchain works, why it's important, and how you can use your field to advance your career. What is blockchain technology? Blockchain technology is a structure that stores transactional records, also known as a block of the public, in several databases known as a chain, in a network connected, so peer-to-peer nodes. Typically, this storage is referred to as digital ledger. Every transaction in this ledger is authorized by the digital signature of the owner, which can connect to the transaction and safeguards it from tampering. Hence, the information the digital ledger contains is highly secure. In simple words, the digital ledger is like a Google spreadsheet shared among numerous computers in network, in which the transactional records are stored based on actual process. The fascinating angle is that anybody can see the data, but they can't corrupt it. Why is blockchain popular? Suppose you are transferring money to your family or friend from your bank account. You would log in the online banking and transfer the amount to the other person using their account number. When the transaction is done, your bank updates the transaction records. It seems simple enough, right? There is a potential issue which most of us neglect. These types of transaction can be tampered with very quickly because people who are familiar with this trust are often wary of using these types of transaction. Hence, the evolution of third-party payment application in recent years, but this Vulnerability is essentially why blockchain technology was created. Technologically, blockchain is a digital ledger that is gaining a lot of attention and traction recently. But why has it become so popular? Well, let's dig into it to platform phantom the whole concept. Record keeping of data and transaction are a critical part of the business. Often this information is handled in-house or passed through a third party like brokers, bankers, or lawyers, increasing time, cost, or both on the business. Fortunately, blockchain avoids this long process and facilitates the faster movement of the transaction, thereby saving both time and money. Most people assume blockchain and Bitcoin can be used interchangeably, but in reality, that is not the case. Blockchain is the technology capable of supporting various applications related to multiple industries like finance, supply chain, manufacturing, etc. But Bitcoin is a currency that relies on blockchain technology to be secure. Blockchain is an emerging technology with many advantages in an incredibly digital world. Highly secure. It uses a digital signature feature to conduct fraud-free transactions, making it impossible to corrupt or change the data of individual by the other users without a specific digital signature. Decentralized system. Conventionally, you need to approval of regulatory authorities like a government, a bank for transaction. However, with blockchain, transactions are done with a mutual consensus of users, resulting in smoother, safer, and faster transaction. Automation capability. It is programmable and can generate systematic actions, events, and payments automatically when the criteria of the trigger are met. Types of blockchain. Private blockchain networks. Private blockchains operate on closed networks and trend to work well for private businesses and organizations. Companies can use private blockchains to customize their accessibility and authorization preference parameters to the work and other important security options. Only the auditory manages a private blockchain network. Public blockchain network. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies originated from public blockchains, which also played a role in popularizing distributed ledger technology (DLT). Public blockchains also help to eliminate certain challenges and issues such as security flaws and centralizations. With DLT, data is distributed across a peer-to-peer network rather than being stored in a single location. A consensus algorithm is used to verify information automaticity. Proof of proof stake (POS) and proof of proof (POW) are two frequently used consensus methods. So today we talk about different methods. In next video we continue to talk about it. Today we only talked about private blockchain networks and public blockchain networks. In next video we will talk about consortium blockchain, the process of transaction, hash encryptions, and other different examples. So it's the end of part 1. Thank you for watching.